Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to simply create a couple of subroutines which will change the path and print out the directory files. So first of all we're going to start off with subroutine. So we start with sub and we're going to call this change path. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use the print command here to print a message to the user. Enter path. Okay, then we're going to use chomp. I'm going to get some input, create a variable called path here, and assign it to standard input. So we'll get the input from the user. Then we use chdir, change directory into that path. And then we're going to create another subroutine here called dir path. And we're going to feed it the path variable there so it knows the path. And we're going to come down here and we're going to create the next subroutine, which is going to be called dir path. The directory path. I'm going to create another variable called dir here to store that information in an array. Okay, now we're going to create another array called files. So this will store all the files in that path. Assign it to glob and then to the original array here that we're going to use. Okay, and then we're going to print out the files. Okay. Right, all we have to do now is to call the program, which is going to be change path. Here, save it. Let's run the program. Okay, so enter the path. So I'm going to do my documents. So C users mark documents. Hit entry, and there we go. So it's listed all the documents in there. Hopefully nothing too embarrassing. It looks all above board. Okay, so those are all the documents in that particular folder. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.